Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I want to show you how you can apply for a credit card from Citi Bank through your PC. So first, you're going to open your preferred web browser. Then on the address bar or the Google search bar, you're going to type in Citi Bank. Then you're going to click on the first link that appears from Citi.com. So this is their homepage. Since we're looking for credit cards, we're going to click on credit cards from this section right here. You can browse their cards with these categories so you can see what cards can give you cashbacks, what cards are good for businesses, what cards don't have no annual fee, and all this stuff. So I'm just going to look for most popular. And this is the list according to your selection of their categories. So just for the sake of the video, I'm just going to click on this one. So if you like to apply for this card or any other cards, you're going to click on apply now for that card. Click on apply now. A new tab opens and you'll be greeted with this form. What you're going to do is you're going to fill out this form, your first name, last name, social security number, or other numbers if you're not a U.S. citizen, addresses, phone, emails, and well, this is your financial stuff, your terms and conditions. You need to check these. When you finish filling all that form and reading all this stuff, you're going to click on agree and submit. So that will finish your form and submit it. So now you have applied for a credit card. If this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.